Hi guys, my name is Marcus and I'm a student at Fitchburg State University. Today is December 4th, 2020, in the middle of the pandemic. Ever since the pandemic, we had to do things a little bit differently around here, especially in the EE lab. Thanks to Dr. Hong Yu and his advice, we've been able to create this device. This device monitors how many people enter and exit a room, which is pretty beneficial for the pandemic. I'll now give you a demonstration of how it works. Every time you pass the device, it will output one count and a beep. This notifies the person who is entering the room, as well as keeps a consistent count. Right now we're at 6, and just for you to confirm, there's 6 right there. This device is constructed of a 3D printed case that was designed and developed here at the engineering lab. The 3D printed case has some embroidery that didn't actually make it through the process, as well as some extruded cut holes for audio sound for the beeper, as well as a hole for the receiver. It also has an LCD display on front that says number of passes, which will indicate how many times somebody has passed through the device. Here we have the switch. The switch is controlling the power. The switch is connected also to the 9-volt power supply. The 9-volt power supply splits off into 2 areas, down here on the soldered on circuit, as well as up here on connection points to the LCD. Now, as you might see, the LCD is ran by this microchip right here, but this connection point, this circuit point, is not. Since this is already a pre-assembled device, I can only show you pictures of the skeleton. This circuit right here is the same circuit that you see below. This is the same LCD that you see above. Here is the front view. It consists of 4 parts. It has a nano microchip processor that we use to process our functions and run the code. It has a photo receiver, it has a buzzer for the output, and it also has an LCD connected to the output to show the display and function. Ultimately, we have big plans for this, but as you see, this is our version 1. Our version 1 is quite boxy and big and might be something you'd see in the 1990s. Our ultimate goal is to shrink it down and ultimately shrink the motherboard down by using a PCB milling machine to get it to the most optimal efficiency. Once that happens, version 2 will be complete. Then we'll move on to version 3. Version 3 will send text messages of the final count automatically to a phone every day after it is shut off. That is our plan. Thank you for watching and have a great day.